Okay guys, so we topped her with water. Everything is hooked up. We have no fuel injectors plugged in yet and no fuel pump yet. So we're going to crank this until we see oil pressure on the factory gauge. So we're not, I mean, it's full of assembly lube and everything and it'll probably be fine, but we're going to crank until we see oil pressure on the gauge. So there's our gauge, all the way to the right. Oh, there it comes. Look at that. It's 60 pounds cranking. We'll give that a minute and we'll do it again. That's 60 pounds oil pressure cranking, John. That's what I just got. Yeah, I'll crank it some more just to make sure it's up the top. Then I'll start turning some stuff on as far as fuel and injectors and see what happens. Should fire up, I don't know. See what happens. Okay guys, we're going to crank some more. Okay, we'll give it a break. I'm going to go again. Is that burning oil smell you?
No, you smell it?
It smells something. I ain't burning nothing over here. It ain't run yet. It smells like old gaskets or something, like an old rear end.
Oh, it wouldn't be over here.
Huh. Well, I'm going to crank this one more time, then I'm going to shut it down and look underneath for leaks.
I don't smell nothing.
It could be just me. Maybe I'm paranoid.
Did you fart?
No, I'm just paranoid.
Yeah. Is it a starter?
It could be. Okay guys, I'm going to pause you. Hey guys, we're just looking underneath for leaks. And it had kind of a weird smell. I think it's just me being paranoid. Plus I was cranking on it pretty good. So we're going to look at the starter's nice and cool. There's a starter is right there. Starter is nice and cool. It's not getting hot or nothing. It's got monster ass cables. I don't see anything leaking. I got a spill there. That was me. Spill down there of water. That was me filling it. And there's a 1 drop of oil over here, which was me overfilling the valve cover. So most likely that ran down from up top there somewhere when I had the funnel. Yeah, I would say that's what that is. Yeah, it's all the way over here. It's running down the frame. So it's something from my funnel or something. We'll take a look up top, make sure. I'm pretty sure I have my oil funnel over there. All right, guys, I'm going to pause you again. Okay, guys, we're going to crank for oil pressure again. Here we go. Okay, we're going to give that a break for a minute. We'll probably go one more time, let that battery build up a little bit. Okay guys, here we go, first start.